halfway through and I realised that most likely his body's actually upside down right now. I think I may be a bit stupid, yeah. There's a bit too much fabric, so I'm going to have to sew this one together here, like it happened on this side as well. Okay, I've got this pinned how I want it. Later on this will be, well, this will be the same colour as the plastron, so we have some more consistency. Just snip, and then fortunately I don't seem to have my seam ripper. Oh, actually I'll check. I don't. Well, that's okay. I'll just have to do this for a bit. Catch you on the flip side, baby. Oh no, just gonna sew this up first and add the head without cutting this out, because I want some more stiffness in that neck. Yeah, that's a bit better. Now we just got to deal with this situation, which is a bit unsightly. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about this. Oh, there you go. It's all nice and plugged up as well. So now it's time for the legs, finally.